Actually, lesson number 5 of standard 4th. Okay, trapped by a lion. So let's see today's interesting half lesson. Okay, now see, this is lecture 3, and if you are new in my channel, please share, subscribe, and like my channel. So let's start our today's lesson. Okay, we have stopped to the pushing against the door and treating at the wood with its powerful claws. There was a tiger and one boy. Okay, there was a tiger and boy. I think I have explained you that. The tiger was pushing against the door and tearing at the wood with his powerful claws. Claws means उसके तो ये होता है ना ऊपर सामने के पैर, उससे वो क्या कर रहा था, ऐसे लेकर ऐसे डोर को प्रेस कर रहा था. ठीक है. Now see, I quickly climbed through the skylight and was out on the flat roof of the bungalow. He climbed through the skylight, okay, and was on the flat roof. And on the flat roof he was of the bungalow. Okay, he was flat roof in the bungalow. Now see, when I heard, okay, the boy is telling, I heard not the boy is telling, when I heard a big crash as the door broke down. Okay, he heard some crush as the door break down. Okay, means okay, I will explain you on the board. This is the door, and the door falls down, breaks and falls down. Now see, the tiger was in the living room. The tiger was in the living room. I looked down. Okay, I looked down through the open skylight as it circled the small room. Okay, as it circled the small room. He like this, like this, like this, like this. He was circling the all room. Now see, I will circle to this table. Okay, now see. Now I circled. So the tiger, okay, the tiger was also circling the house like this only. Okay, the tiger was also circling the house like this only. Now see, lashing its, okay, lashing means hitting with great force, its tail and knocking over tables and chairs. Okay, he was with his tail, a long tail, he was doing like this to door, table. Okay, now see. In its anger, it turned its action to my thermos flask. He turned it to action to his thermos bottle. Okay, thermos bottle. Now see, and bit right through it, and then it charged out. Okay, charged out means moved out in a rush. It charged out of the living room. वो बहुत जोर से भाग गया उस living room से. Okay, the tiger. Okay, the tiger. I watched it from the roof as it let out a big roar. At the same time, I heard a gun being fired and the forest guard come out from his huntman. The tiger turned away from the bungalow and ran away into the jungle. Are you all right, Baba? Asked the guard. Okay, the guard asked, "Are you all right, Baba? Are you all right?" Okay, he asked. Okay, as he helped me down from the roof, "I think so," I said, "and I ought to lecture the hunters written. I tried a bunch." Okay, bunch means here a group. Okay, a group bunch. They had shoot anything except a few of peasant. Peasant means large bird with round bodies on long tails. Long tails. They looked rather foolish when they heard about the tigers visiting and saw the damage it had done. Okay, I didn't say much because I was still in shock. Uncle Jim was glad to find me alive. It was some time before I could mention this accident. Okay, to anyone, as it took me a long time to get over it, recover from. Now, I think you love this lesson a lot, and if not seen the lecture 1 and 2, so please go in my channel and see lecture 1 and 2. If you like my channel, please share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye friends.